some of my thrift store finds. This here is, I'm sure it's a knockoff, but it's a Tiffany lamp, we'll call it. It cost me $14.99. Tag on here says it was tested and works, and there happens to be one LED light in here, so I'm already making money there. $8.99. This here has been used. It's a thrift store find, and the reason why I didn't mind paying $8.99 is it does have a Teflon pan in it. I don't know if I'm going to like this or not, so this is why I'm going to try it out before I worry about maybe getting a stainless steel one. And the tag on here says not tested, so I kept the receipt just in case. This is my next find, $4.99. It's got all the attachments inside here. They don't use carpet too much anymore, so that's why these things usually go cheap. Got the attachment there, here. And obviously it's been used, it's got hair in it, so it's not going to hurt to clean this up. And this here is going to go to my sister-in-law because she needs a carpet cleaner for the rental that they live in. For that price. My next find is king-size sheets. They have the lines in them. The normal price at Goodwill was $9.99. Is a pink tag sale. I got this set, the top sheet and the bottom sheet, for 99 cents together. My next find, you can't find these anymore. $7.99. Obviously, you want to wash them as soon as you get them, but not just one. Tell it's dirty, but just the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that a set? And realistically, I don't even care what color it is, because being single, I buy a big bag of sugar so I can save money per se. I can fill it in however many I need. If I buy flour, I can do the same thing. That way I can keep the moisture out, and I don't have a problem with bugs around here. But in some areas, you need to seal your stuff, so for that price, can't go wrong. Next one was 11 by 50 feet micro-channel vacuum seal bags. 99 cents. This is a green tag special. It was originally $5.99 at Goodwill. And obviously I didn't buy all these at the same day, but you can see brand new. I had to open the box so I could make sure it's what it said it was. So, and I use my vacuum sealer all the time, sealing the leftovers depending on what they are and whatnot. So I'm happy with that. Another Tupperware item. $0.99. Comes with all of them. Check online, see how much these suckers are. I don't know why they quit making this style. This is a really nice style. Tupperware now makes ones that I don't like very well. Next up, this did cost me 99 cents. It's a cord so you can record your lamp. This is a long cord, it's 15 feet. This is mainly meant for a swag lamp. And some of the lamps I kind of turn into a swag lamp are these big porch lights that are meant for these bigger houses. How cool are those? That fake candelabra. Then put in those little flicker lights in there. Yes. Here, I have both of these. This is film, and I'll pop one out just to show you what it is. But you need a projector in order to run these things, in which we've been buying projectors for 99 cents at Goodwill and whatnot. You can see it's a film, and so now I have cartoons, I guess we'll say, that I can transfer over to DVD or what do they call that. And then I can resell these online. So look it up. See how much these things are worth on eBay. These were $4.99. You can see they're marked down, so I paid half price for them. But even at $4.99, that's a good deal if you're in that kind of stuff. Here I have more vacuum seal bags. $2.99. And the box is full. This is another antique. 99 cents. The little angels in there that you put the birthday candles in. And then I'll show you this. Right now I'm using the stand, but this here, $4.99. Usually when you find these in thrift shops, you can't, this end piece right here that hooks to your camera, it doesn't normally come with it because people have lost them, and that's why they probably got rid of these. This one happened to have it. $5, very happy. I got one more deal around here somewhere. Let me take a look and see if I can find it. Okay, for the crafters, here's one of those boards that you can cut the edges of your paper, resize photos, that kind of stuff. The original price was $5.99. I got this for 99 cents. I'm sure there's one more thing out here. Give me a second. This I got at a garage sale. Very shocked. Porter-Cable is a excellent brand. I don't know if they are still nowadays, but I started buying this brand for my wood shop. And this box is really dusty, but it's still in the box. And on the back side, where the openers are, I noticed there's a piece of tape on each side. So I figured this thing must be brand new. I was afraid to ask the price on it because none of their stuff was marked. And so I went ahead, I figured I gotta ask. I think I bought this for $2.50. I opened it up and this thing is brand spanking new. Still in the wrapper. It has sanding diamonds, and you stick it to this so you can sand with it. It's got a cut-off tool, flush cut blade it says. Try to put this back as I get it out. This is I imagine this here cuts tile because it's got the, we'll call it the sand on the edges of it. And you have different shapes depending on what you're cutting. This one actually has wood depth on it. Same with that one. They both have the teeth along the top for cutting in. This vibrates. There's 3 of them. There are different type of teeth on there, it looks like. Otherwise, it has the cord. Everything is in here. Very happy to get this one. And try to get back in the container. So, yep. What a bargain. And sometimes you think, that guy falls into the deals all the time. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This is my last deal I got. It's a batter bowl, as they call it. Brand new, $4.99. And this here, you're supposed to, I'm gonna pop this off real quick, go real slow. It used to have a price on here. Yeah, they got marked out so bad I can't tell the original price. But check out the prices of these online. Or in your local store. What this is meant for is you throw your breading material in here. Let's say you're going to do chicken, so you put in your flour, salt, pepper, and your other spices. You set this on here, in here, whatever you want to call it. Now you put your chicken pieces in here. Depends how big your chicken is, 7, 8 pieces in here, whatever turns you on. set your lid on. Make sure it's sealed. Then you just turn it upside down, start shaking it back and forth, and all of your chicken will be coated and ready to be deep fried or fried in the pan or whatever you're going to do with it. I was very happy to get this. It's like $4.99. I was happy with that one too. So anyway, I think that's going to be the end of this video, because I just wanted to show you there are good deals out there, and sometimes you end up picking up things that you don't necessarily need, but heck, I got lots of money, so I buy for the family. So until next time, we'll see you later. Thanks for stopping by.